Welcome to Flash Instincts. Today we're going to talk about Zomedica, ZOM. Alright, so Zomedica is a pharmaceutical company. They're releasing or commercializing True Forma, which is a game changer in the pet industry. I'm going to tell you a little story about Zomedica, and I hope you guys follow. If you like this channel, make sure you subscribe to Flash Instincts. We're going to also talk about charting patterns. So Zomedica, right off the bat, during the retracement period of mid-February towards the end of March, which is continuing right now, it looks like a reversal may be happening shortly. Zomedica, during every single dip, it was resilient. The first time it went down, during the retracement period, the market correction, as you saw every stock go down, Zomedica, however, it simply went down to $1.33. Next day, it was so resilient that it went right back up to the $2 range, $2.20. $1.50 is a good support today, guys. Zomedica touched $1.47 and then never looked back. The $1.40 range to $1.50, even $1.55, this is a buying range now. This became the new buying range. It is so strong at $1.40, $1.50. Okay, whoever purchased today, good job. High five to you, man. You hit it on the money. Zomedica bounced back up $1.30 first. Boom, right here. This is part of the same support. Next time it went down again on March 5th. It hit that support level, bounced right back, 147. Boom, and it went crazy back up, like 270 something. Now, it's a slower one. It went down all the way to this level, to 146, and from 146 it bounced right away. At end of the day today, 166, guys. It ended the day at 166. This is a 17% rise. That's crazy. That's crazy. Right now it's at 166. So this is where Zomedica is at. Let's look even further. Let's zoom out a little more, and we're gonna see something crazy. I'm gonna show you the real point. All right. So Zomedica. Remember the story I was going to tell you? Zomedica is going to be a stock that you tell your grandchild, hey boy, your grandfather invested in this company based on some guy named Flash Instincts. And your grandpa doubled his money in the fastest time he ever did out of all his other investments. This was the fastest double in his career, in his life. This is what he's going to tell his grandson. And perhaps it could be you too. This is not financial advice. Invest after doing your own due diligence. We are here simply telling stories and giving you chart patterns. Guys, this is forming a bull pennant. We all know in our last video we talked about what's a bull pennant. If not, you could check it out. There's an MBIS video on a bull pennant. Zomedica has a bull pennant forming and is an extremely bullish one. It looks like it has a lot of momentum. Look at volume, guys. Volume is a key indicator. Zomedica has huge volume despite its high float. It's resilient no matter what. Zomedica remains extremely strong, extremely hyped on Reddit. Do your due diligence, guys. All right. So this has potential to go nuclear.
Nuclear launch detected.
Right here, go straight to the moon. Okay, guys. Now, what do I see? What targets do I like? I like $250 range. I really like 250. I like 237 as well. 237 is a nice target. If we increase 237 with extreme high volume, even more than previous, we have a nuclear launch alert. And that's when you break out. That's when you have a breakout. When you get a breakout, you're ready to see the 2x. All right, that's what you want to see. Zomedica is that type of play. We want this momentum, guys. We want to ride this up. All right. We also have let's get to it. July 18 to current day, we have a cup and handle formation right now. Banger alert. This is a 3-year cup and handle, ladies and gentlemen. All right. This had crazy resistance and slash support at the $2.20 range. Okay. So you may see some selling near the $2 range. Okay. Don't worry. This is Zomedica. You're going to have a great time, guys. Zomedica. Let's enjoy, guys. For those that got in earlier, Hold strong. If you're holding, I applaud you. The market makers are trying to manipulate and force you to sell your stock, especially at stop losses. It's very clear. Market makers do market maker things. I guess I'm not so allowed to tell you that, but this is the truth. All right? This is the real truth. Normal people can only ride the waves. We have to understand how to ride the wave. That's the purpose of this video, to help you understand so you make better decisions for yourself, for your life. This is generational wealth we're trying to build. We try to get into plays early and ride them for long durations. The longer we hold, the more potential gains we see. Now, some people may say, hey, Flash, I'm trying to enter this stock. How do I buy Zomedica? That's a very good question. If you have, let's say, $300, you buy in 3 phases. The first 100, you could buy in this big range. Or if you want to make a better range, let's make another triangle within this triangle right here. You see this range? This is the super buy alert. Anything near 147 where I touched today. The next range, you can look at anything under 164 is a good potential. Okay, 164. You buy it, 100. Boom. If it hits anything below 150 range, another 100. And if you have that last more, if you want to add a bit more, 140s. Boom, you add the whole kitchen tank. Now you have Zomedica. Welcome to the family, guys. Welcome to the Zomedica wave. Let's ride, baby. Let's go. Vroom, vroom. By the way, I forgot to add this little secret. There's 2 bull pennants within the pennant. All right, so this is a big pennant we have. This is the little pennant within the pennant. Let me write this line. It's going to be a lot of confusing lines, but try to pay attention with me. This is the pennant that already passed. Okay, this is the flag. To form the pennant, it takes about 1 to 3 weeks. And then by the end, we have high volume and a breakout. Zomedica did break out to 290. And now we're forming yet another pennant. Right, so if you have 2 pennants, one within another, it's a really bullish sign. All right, it's extremely bullish.
Nuclear missile ready.
I hope you guys enjoyed this channel. Make sure you subscribe to Flash Instincts for more crazy content.